Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Adirunke. I film from Abuja, Nigeria. So this is my first vlog. Yay! Please subscribe and support my channel. So on this channel, you're going to be learning Yoruba. I'm going to be teaching you how to speak Yoruba, how to understand Yoruba. And in order to learn it quickly, you're going to watch my mouth, watch the way I pronounce words. Let's just get right into it. So today we're going to be learning about alphabets, the alphabets of Yoruba. Okay, so Yoruba is a language from Nigeria, where I'm from, and is spoken by the Yoruba people from the southwest of Nigeria. So just like we have alphabets in English, we have alphabets in Yoruba. So I'm going to be teaching you all the intonations, pronunciations, name it, of Yoruba. Kọ́mi ni Adérónkẹ́. So lórí ètò yìí ẹ máa kọ́ bí a ṣe ń sọ Yorùbá, bí a ṣe lè bá ẹnìkejì wa sọ̀rọ̀ ní Yorùbá. Tí Yorùbá ò bá yé ẹ tẹ́lẹ̀, ibi ló ti máa kọ́ bó ṣe ń sọ Yorùbá. Okay, so alphabets of Yoruba, just like we have alphabets in English, A to Z, we're going to be learning that in Yoruba. So alphabet Yoruba, listen to me and listen to how I pronounce it, and watch my mouth as I pronounce the words. Thank you. Okay, so A, B, D, E, F, G, B, I, G, K, L, M, N, O, P, R, S, Sh, T, U, W, Y. Okay, I'm sure that sounds like gibberish to you, but those are the alphabets of Yoruba. So I'm going to pronounce it in a slower way, and then I'm going to compare it to the English alphabet. So A is A, B is B. There's no C in Yoruba. D is D. A is E. E is also E. E can be pronounced in two ways in Yoruba. There's A and E. So E is A and E. Then F is F. G is G. G can also be pronounced in two ways, which is G and B. So G is G and B. He, which is H. E, which is I. G, which is J. K, which is K. L, which is L. Me, which is M. Ni, which is N. O, which is O, the normal O we know, but O can be pronounced in two ways too. There's O, there's O. So O is pronounced as O and O. O, P. P is P. R, which is R. C, which is S. S can be pronounced in two ways too, which is C and she. C, she, T, which is T. U, which is U. We, which is W. Y, which is Y. So there's some alphabets that are not in Yoruba. The alphabets are C, Q, V, X, Z. The alphabets that are not in Yoruba are C, Q, V, X, Z. So if you want to learn it again, let me say it one more time. A, B, D, E, F, G, B. I, G, K, L, mi, ni, o, pi, ri, si, shi, ti, u, wi, yi. I hope you got that. Is as easy as ABC. Just like they say, it's as easy as ABC. Yoruba is as easy as ABD, as simple as that. So just like Yoruba has 25 alphabets. English has 26 alphabets. So you have to maybe I will put some images so you can compare, compare how to write the Yoruba alphabet and the English alphabet. So I'm teaching you this alphabet because you're going to be using it in your pronunciations, in how to write words later on. So also, if you want to learn this, if you want to learn Yoruba properly, you have to watch the way I pronounce the words and also listen attentively to the way I'm going to be saying the words so that it will be easy for you to catch what I'm trying to say. Understood? Okay. So just like there are vowel sounds in Yoruba, in English, we also have vowel sounds in Yoruba. So the vowel sounds in Yoruba are, we call them Faweli. Faweli Ede Yoruba, which are vowel sounds in Yoruba language. Faweli Ede Yoruba. Ede is language. Ede is D, A of Yoruba. Ede Yoruba is Yoruba language. So we have vowels in Yoruba language too, which is called Faweli. Faweli Èdè Yorùbá. So àwọn Faweli Èdè Yorùbá are a, e, I, o, u. A, e, I, o, u. So just like you have your vowel sounds in English, you also have them in Yoruba. So a is a is a, I is a and o is o and o. U is u, I is I is I. Do you understand? Like a, I, o, u. That is just a, I, o, I, u. Do you understand? Yeah, those are the vowels of Yoruba. Those are the Faweli Ede Yoruba. And also, Yoruba is a widely spoken language. Even in the UK, you have associations of Yoruba people everywhere. Yoruba is a very big culture and it's a very rich and interesting culture. But along the way, we're going to be learning more about Yoruba. So thank you so much for coming with me on today's vlog. I hope you have learned a thing or two. So I don't want to bore you with so much at once, which is why I'm only doing alphabets for today and the vowel sounds in Yoruba. So the next thing we're going to be doing will probably be numbers, how to greet in Yoruba, all those good stuff. So please stay tuned and follow me. Subscribe to my channel. Please support your girl. So subscribe to my channel. Share with your friends, with your fellow parents, so they can show the children how they can learn to speak Yoruba in a very easy way. So thank you for coming with me on this, and I hope you've learned a thing or two. So I'll see you on the next one. Thank you. Bye. Ó dàbọ̀. Faweli Èdè Yorùbá ni the vowels the vowel sounds of Yoruba.